Consumer spending, understanding types and impact. Consumer spending, also known as personal consumption expenditure, is a crucial aspect of any economy. It refers to the money individuals and households spend on goods and services. The way people spend their money has a significant influence on economic growth and overall financial health. Let's delve into the types of consumer spending and their definitions to better understand this concept. 1. Essential spending. This category includes expenditures on necessities like food, housing, utilities, healthcare, and transportation. Essential spending is considered non-discretionary because these are items people can't easily do without. 2. Discretionary spending. These are expenses for items that are not essential for survival but enhance our quality of life. Examples include entertainment, dining out, travel, and luxury goods. Discretionary spending tends to fluctuate more with changes in income and economic conditions. 3. Recurring spending. This refers to regular expenses that occur on a frequent basis. Monthly bills such as rent or mortgage payments, subscription services, and insurance premiums fall into this category. 4. Non-recurring spending. Non-recurring spending involves one-time or irregular expenses, like purchasing a car, remodeling a home, or buying a major appliance. 5. Impulse spending. This type of spending is unplanned and often driven by emotions or impulses. It includes purchases made on a whim, which might not necessarily align with an individual's long-term financial goals. 6. Investment spending. While not always considered traditional consumer spending, investing in assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or education can also be seen as a form of consumer spending, aimed at securing future financial stability. The impact of consumer spending on the economy is substantial. When consumers spend more, businesses experience higher demand for their products and services, leading to increased production, job creation, and economic growth. Conversely, reduced consumer spending can lead to economic slowdowns and recessions. In conclusion, understanding the types of consumer spending provides insights into our spending habits and their broader economic implications. Responsible management of both essential and discretionary spending contributes to personal financial health and the overall vitality of an economy. Thank you for taking the time to learn about consumer spending and its significance. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more informative content on various economic topics. Your support is greatly appreciated.